Hello guys, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates and also watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete overview of this jobs. Okay, so now let us see what are the different latest job updates. HCL is hiring and JP Morgan is hiring for analyst, and Siemens is hiring and Amazon is hiring, Mindtree is hiring, Cognizant is hiring, Accenture, TCS and Dell, HP. There are so many job opportunities. We have already created so many videos on this, and in order to apply, just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com or else click the link in the description so that you will be redirected to our website and you can apply directly. Watch the videos at first, then you will be able to apply for all these jobs. And I request you to please subscribe so that you will get instant job updates, and so that you can you won't miss any of the job opportunities like last date concerns and all. I have seen so many people who are applying and visiting our website and watching these videos after the last date, so that it will avoid your make your time waste So I request you to please subscribe so that you will get instant notifications and you can apply instantly. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe and please support us. Here we can see that JP Morgan is hiring for analyst. Now let us see how to apply for JP Morgan. Just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. Link is provided in the description. Here we can see that JP Morgan. This job was posted on December 3rd, 2021. Now let us know what exactly JP Morgan company is. I think before applying for any job, we need to know what exactly the company is, like organization, what are the benefits and things and all about the organization. It is mandatory to know to which company we are applying. So I request you to please watch this video till the end so that you will be able to get the complete overview. As all of us know that JP Morgan is a very good company. Here we can see that JP Morgan is an American MNC company. It's an investment bank and financial services holding company headquartered in New York City. Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan case, appears on CNB Squawk Box at the 2020 World Economics Forum in Davos, Switzerland on January 22nd, 2020. When it comes to naming the best CEOs in the game, excluding himself, two names immediately come up to the mind for Jamie Dimon. JP Morgan Chase is incorporated in Delaware, founded on December 1st, 2000. JP Morgan is a global leader in financial services, offering solutions to the world's most important corporations, governments and institutions in more than 100 countries. JP Morgan Chase is one of the world's oldest, largest and best known financial institutions, with a history that traces our oldest, largest and best known financial institutions, traces our roots to 1799 in New York City. We carry forth the innovative spirit of our heritage firms in our global operations in over 60 countries. Our firm's culture is rooted in our core principles. The average salaries of freshers at JP Morgan India ranges from 2,26,000 to 8 lakhs per annum. 2.2 to 8 lakhs. Interns can earn up to 41,000 per month. Wow, it's a great to know, good to know information. This is like for interns only they are offering like 41,000 per month. So it's like around 6 lakhs per annum you can earn as an intern also. Only less companies will provide this huge package for internship. It's good to know. So JP Morgan Chase is considered to be universal bank and a custodian bank. The JP Morgan Chase brand is used by the investment banking, asset management, private banking, private wealth management and treasury services divisions. We offer opportunities for underrepresented freshmen, sophomores and juniors as well as MBA students to explore potential career paths within our company. These events and programs immerse you in one of the top financial service firms in the world. JP Morgan clients include the world's most prominent corporations, governments, wealthy individuals and institutional investors. Learn more. In order to learn more, just visit this website. And the US consumer and commercial banking business serve customers under the Chase brand. JP Morgan Chase is hiring for analyst, and JP Morgan Chase and is offering for MBA or advanced degree in statistics or math, engineering or quantitative focused field. Such type of people they are looking. Like let us know what exactly the responsibilities are. Support stakeholder and project management initiatives to deliver information management and business intelligence strategies across sales, marketing and technology businesses. Since it is an analyst role, they are actually looking for the stakeholder, like for a support role guy. You need to support for the stakeholders, like in sales, marketing and technology businesses. Perform quantitative analysis to identify gaps and ways to optimize for performance objectives and organizational goals. Work with technology team to create a center for excellence around visualization strategies. Design and implement solutions including executive reports, dashboards and data quality tools. Ideate ways to improve key information platforms such as CRMs, CRM systems, Salesforce and data warehouses. Ensure effective data warehousing, quality definitions and maintenance. Provide expertise of application, example like understanding of functionality, capabilities and limitations. Provide support for reporting issues. Assist the team in maintaining existing procedures, database, universe, tools and workflows necessary to facilitate the day-to-day activities. Minimum requirements are like MBA or advanced degree in statistics, math, engineering or other qualitative focused field preferred. Experience in data visualization, product analytics, product growth optimization role focused on digital experiences, mobile, web, video, commerce, subscription. They are actually looking for the support guys, and also they are looking for the data visualization experience. Since they are looking for actually for freshers, they are looking for a candidate with good knowledge in visualization, not exactly the experience they mean. Even if you have done any internship also, that is well and good, that is what they mean. And strong visualization capabilities and experience with Power BI tools like ClickView, Tableau and Power BI, etc. So let me tell you one important thing here, in visualization tools, you will be able to know the complete graphical representations of all the businesses and all. In order to do that, in order to give the complete overview of any business or the reports like monthly or else, earlier we used to prepare in Excel, and we used to show the reports in Excel only. Nowadays people wanted to view all these reports and the complete description, in pictorial format. People are looking for these type of tools, that is what they mean, like visualization. In order to visualize, people wanted to see those all visualizations in the form of graphs and all. So in order to prepare, we use all these tools, like most of you know, like a ClickView, Tableau, Power BI, etc. You can learn from online. There are so many resources online. It is always suggested, in order to become an analyst, it is suggested to learn Excel, Power BI and Tableau and ClickView, etc. It is suggested, and I request you to please go through them also. And most probably in future we will be able to prepare more videos on Tableau, ClickView also. I hope we will do that, and please subscribe to our channel. That gives us so much of support in making more and more videos for you. And we provide genuine job opportunities only. We don't want it to waste any student's time or any professional time. So I request you to please subscribe. It will help, it will give us so much of support. And here we can see that experience using expertise scheduling and reporting tools, business objects, Webby, Crystal and Congos tools is a plus. And let me tell you one thing, wherever you get a new point, like a new word, if you find, just Google it and just know something about that, so that you will be able to get the complete details. In future, if you may come across those tools, you will come to know that your brain will automatically can tell you that what exactly that means. If you think it is a silly to know, it is not necessary, but in future it may make you analyze what exactly they mean. In future, it is good to know everything. someday it will help you. Even in interviews, I have seen so many people like whatever they have learned in generally, if any interviewer asks something to you, you may quickly respond if you have learned something a long back ago. That's what our brain also will be tuned generally. So it is suggested to learn new things day by day, so that you will get improved. Especially in interviews, you can tell whatever you had learned long ago also. Like it's not learning actually, it's reading. If you do reading also, sometimes it helps you a lot in the interviews. You can promptly speak out. Speaking will help you a lot in the interviews. Even if you don't have a good knowledge also, they'll see the knowledge. Generally, let me tell you one thing here, one important thing. So if you attend for any interview, even if you don't have a good knowledge, if you speak fluently and if you speak something, they will get high you. Why? Because they will assume that you don't have any knowledge, however you are trying to tell something. Similarly, if you get hired, once you will be trained in any organization. If you are fresher, you will get trained, right? So once you get hired and trained, then you will be able to exhibit the same, right? That's what they believe. That is why the candidate with who doesn't have good knowledge also will get hired only if they have the good communication. Okay, so I hope you got this point. I request you to please implement this so that you will get the jobs easily. So I request you to please improve your communication skills. So let us get in back into the description. Like a technical experience in data mining, SQL, Python is as a plus. Like basic skills are needed. Demonstrated ability to conduct data analysis, actionable insights, and work directly with product and business owners to implement and measure recommended actions. Strong Microsoft skills, Word, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Excellent communicator, verbal, written, with strong interpersonal skills are needed. In order to get daily job updates, I request you to please join in our group so that you will be able to get instant notifications, and also subscribe to our channel. I am telling you multiple times. Why? Because I have seen so many people will be watching these videos after the last date, so that it won't benefit you. I request you to please subscribe so that you will get instant notifications and instantly you can apply. Just visit our website daily so that you'll get to know how exactly things are going on, like which company is hiring. We are mainly concentrated on freshers and also experienced guys. So I promise you to provide daily almost like 10 job notifications. So I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you will be able to get instant notifications. Here we can see that the experience is freshers, salary is negotiable, location is Mumbai. Last day to apply is December 10, 2021. It is very arriving. So I request you to please go through our website www.livejobsinfo.com. You can find the link to apply in the description box. So just visit that and apply for these jobs. And in order to apply, just click on this official link. It will be redirected to the website. So here you can see the complete details here. So the deadline is 10 December as we discussed, 12 AM Indian Standard Time. IST stands for Indian Standard Time. And location is Mumbai, updated on 4th December. So in order to register, just click on this register option. Eligibility is MBA students, that's what they mean. And 5 days are left, that's what they mean. Just applying. I have provided a link in the description. So I request you to please register by clicking on the sign up option. So enter your email ID, username, email ID and mobile number, and please enter your password, and also organization or institute like your current organization, or else the institute like your college name, and enter your gender, and click on this agree now option. Once you enter this, it will be redirected and it may ask your resume. So just fill that and you'll be able to apply. And let me go back, and I request you to please comment in the comment box what type of job you need, so that we'll be able to prepare more videos on the particular job descriptions, so that you'll be able to get. And please subscribe so that you will get the notifications. Here you can go through the complete descriptions, like we have created so many other videos also for all the jobs, and there are so many job opportunities for both experienced and fresher guys. I hope this video helps you a lot, and please comment below what type of jobs you need. That's all from my end, and I hope you like this video. Please hit on like button if you like this, and please comment below what type of job videos you need, and stay safe, stay positive, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.